We have wasted enough time in this itself, isn't it? Sorry, I'm very sorry.
No, 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 don't be sorry for anything. It happens, and as I said initially, I don't mind waiting.
Yeah, tell me or ask me or whatever. How should it be? You will be doing the asking or
You can
how is it?
you can ask anything.
Mm.
I'm at your beck and call.
I think I saw one of your videos about your specialization in idioms and phrases,
Mm-hmm.
and I kind of liked it. So then I thought that let me give it a try and speak to this person and see, because I found it very, what do you call it? I found it very nice.
Mm-hmm.
It idioms and phrases, it beautifies the language, isn't it?
Yes.
Uh, Plus, it conveys the meaning exactly as you want it to be conveyed, without, like instead of speaking a long sentence, if you speak an idiom,
Mm-hmm.
provided the opposite person understands, then it's really like nailing the thing. It's very nice. So I thought that let me speak to this person.
Okay, that is so sweet of you. That if you like the way I had my videos,
Yeah,
if,
liked it very much. And I think a lot of effort goes into it, isn't it?
yes, I indeed make a lot of efforts
Yeah, yeah.
to make my videos go viral. And when people, I guess, and yes, before we jump into the video, before
Okay.
we try to know about each other, I would like you to give your small introduction so that
Okay.
whosoever is watching this
Sure, sure,
video,
sure,
yes, they will
sure.
understand.
My name is Sheila.
Mm-hmm.
I am 57 years old. I reside in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu. I have done my PG in sociology, and I have done a certificate course in communications and personality development. And I have been, mine is a kind of a, what do you call it? I don't have a, like, I didn't have one straight path. Okay. It was with a lot of ups and downs. I started off as a lecturer.
All right.
I was born in Tamil Nadu, but brought up in the north, Madhya Pradesh. Hence my Hindi. Because you'll have that question that how come I speak Hindi, no? So, but I studied in Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. My schooling in Maharashtra in a hostel, and my graduation and post graduation in Madhya Pradesh. So post marriage, since I'm a Tamilian South Indian. Post marriage, I shifted to Chennai, then to Coimbatore. When I shifted from there to here to South, my sociology didn't have much scope in the South.
Mhm.
So I was like, and I was so used to working, and so I couldn't sit simply. Sitting simply means I just can't do it. So I was just trying what to do. Then suddenly somebody suggested market research. One of my husband's friends said, why don't you give it a try? Since you know Hindi, English, and Tamil, all three very fluently, to read as well as write. So in market research, knowing language is it's a added skill. So I
Mhm.
gave it a try, and from 97 till 2010, I've been working in market research as a research analyst. After 2010, I thought that I should slow down because enough is enough. Now my family is set up. So then I I went back to my original passion, that was teaching.
Mhm.
Here in South India, there is a lot of scope for Hindi. Like
Mhm.
how there in the north it is English, likewise here it is Hindi.
All
So
right.
spoken Hindi, and there is a sabha here called as Dakshin Bharat Hindi Prachar Sabha
Mhm.
to develop Hindi in the south. It was started by Gandhiji way back, and it has exams, level 8 level exams. So I prepare children for those exams, children or anybody who's interested, plus spoken Hindi, the same way as spoken English.
Mhm.
So my business is doing good. So I am also doing good. And this is not a seasonal business, no. Studies and studying is full time. So I have never run out of business. That's it.
Okay.
I have a one son. He is 25 plus, 25 years old. He is working in Amazon Web Services.
Hmm.
That's it. And my husband, he is a mechanical engineer by profession, and he has his own consultancy services. So now, since my parents and everybody, like they are no more, so I have time, and my time is devoted to women and children or anybody who loves to, read or write or speak Hindi. That's it.
Okay. So that is something new to me, that I was
Yeah.
not really oblivious to that people are also fond of learning Hindi. Like, being a teacher of English, as you said, that I indeed make strenuous efforts to be the master of this language, and I always want my knowledge to go to people, or as many as people I can share my knowledge with.
Okay.
But yes, I am flabbergasted to know that okay, people are also damn crazy for Hindi. If I feel that my business is not in full swing, I'm going to come to that state, and whatever
Well,
Hindi I know, I would love to be the part of that
most well.
culture. Yes, thank you very much. You contacted me, so I would like to know that, do you watch YouTube videos?
Come again. What did you say?
As yes, as we both are in touch, I would like to know that, and this is the very first time I have talked to you. I would like to know, how come you got to know about me? Do you watch YouTube videos?
Yeah, I do. I do. I do. Whatever time I get in between time, I watch YouTube videos. And especially one of my friends, she was looking out for English speaking. So I do the groundwork for her because she is working as a lecturer. So,
That's so
so,
nice.
I thought that I'll, explore, and then I let her know that this is there. You can go. I don't remember how, or maybe it is a coincidence. I don't know. I saw idioms and phrases, and then that attracted me to it
Hmm.
because I am a language lover.
Hmm. So am I.
I just love languages. I just love languages.
Yes, but when it
Maybe
comes
that
to
is the reason.
hmm, 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 hmm.
And I like the way you put it across.
Hmm.
That also interested me. And because nowadays, even though here, South being a strong English territory, still children struggle to learn those they take it for granted. They say
Hmm.
English only, no, weak and 4 marks. It's learning the grammar correctly and learning those idioms and phrases. It's very important. Even now, many of them speak such wrong English.
Hmm.
See, people concentrate mainly on their core subjects,
Hmm.
especially college students. They neglect the language. And at home also, they tell them that concentrate in your core subject. And now South India is the adda for engineering. So engineering, matlab, those three subjects are very, very important. You have to have good cutoff in your core subjects. That's how children are raised. So what happens is they tend to pay less attention to language. Acha, when does this pinch them? When they finish off their thing, and when they are attending the interview, or sometimes they will get through the interview, and when they come into a work environment, and when that is the time when they face this language barrier. Speaking English something different, and what do you call it? Corresponding is something different. Writing is something different, isn't it? Nowadays, writing is hardly in practice. People use only but still, you need to have good vocabulary so that,
Hmm.
because see, you don't know me. The first time, how did you know me? I messaged you. Had I
Right.
messaged you wrongly, you would have understood me. But there's an opinion you form about a person, right? So before me, my mail would have reached you. So based on that mail, you would have had some rough sketch of me, isn't it?
Right.
You need to give that treat it with that respect and learn it. that is my job. That is what I tell children, that please, at an early age, don't neglect your language, because later on it is only going to help you a lot. In
Mm-hmm.
any jobs, you will be a good doctor, you'll be a good engineer, you will get into a good job. But to survive there, and that too in today's cutthroat competition, you need to have your applications pakka and proper.
Yes. Yes. Right. And I guess we both speak the same language.